Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix disk structure is corrupted and unreadable external hard drive. Chapter 1. How to fix disk structure is corrupted and unreadable external hard drive from terminal. To start, open File Explorer to identify the letter of the disk with error. Then right-click on Start and click on Terminal Admin. Click Yes to access. In the terminal, run the command chkdsk drive/f/r. Press Enter to start the analysis. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. You are going to wait for this analysis to come to an end. Chapter 2. How to fix disk structure is corrupted and unreadable external hard drive from tool. You will start by opening the File Explorer. Right-click on the disk and select Properties. After this, in the Tools tab, click Check. The next step is to click on Scan Drive. Wait for the scan to complete. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.